What if I told you that in 2025, people aren't just driving Ubers or selling stuff online anymore? Americans are making thousands of dollars from side hustles that didn't even exist a few years ago. From AI-powered gigs to renting out things you'd never expect, these side hustles are wild. And today, I'm breaking down the 7 most profitable side hustles people are doing right now in 2025. Stay with me, because hustle number 6 is something that could literally pay you while you sleep. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We all know life is expensive. Rent, groceries, bills, they just keep climbing. And the truth is, more and more Americans are turning to creative side hustles just to stay ahead. But here's the good news. 2025 is a goldmine of new opportunities. If you've been wondering how people are really making that extra cash, this video will give you real, actionable ideas that you can start today. So the first big one, AI tutoring and coaching. In 2025, students aren't just hiring human tutors anymore. Parents want a hybrid learning, a mix of human guidance and AI tools. So people are making money by coaching kids and even adults on how to use AI for studying, research, or even career growth. Think about it. If you know how to use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or coding AIs, you can literally teach others and charge for it. Some Americans are pulling in $50 to $100 an hour just walking people through this stuff. Quick question for you. Would you pay for an AI tutor, or do you think you could become one yourself? Let me know in the comments. Number 2, this one's crazy. Renting out smart gadgets. Not houses, not cars, actual gadgets. People are listing their VR headsets, 3D printers, drones, and even robot vacuum cleaners on rental platforms. Why? Because not everyone wants to buy these expensive tech toys, but they'll happily rent them for a weekend project, a birthday party, or even just to try it out. Some people are making an extra $300 to $500 a month just by letting others borrow their gadgets. Third hustle, AI concierge services. Think of this like being a personal assistant, but powered by AI. Americans in 2025 are offering services like trip planning, meal prep schedules, fitness routines, all customized with AI tools. But here's the twist. Most people don't know how to prompt AI correctly. So if you can master that skill, you can literally sell AI-made plans for $20, $50, even $100 a pop. It's fast, it's scalable, and the demand is skyrocketing. Number 4, micro content creation. Forget starting a full YouTube channel or TikTok account. In 2025, small businesses are desperate for short, snappy videos to promote their products online. So freelancers are charging $15 to $100 per video clip just to create 15-second ads, product demos, or even AI-generated voiceovers. You don't need a Hollywood camera. Many are just using their phones and editing apps. This one is especially hot because small businesses can't afford agencies, but they can pay someone like you. Real quick, if you had to choose between making videos or renting gadgets, which hustle sounds easier for you? Drop it below. Fifth side hustle, community subscriptions. Instead of chasing millions of followers, Americans are building small, private online groups on platforms like Discord, Circle, or even Patreon. Example, a retired chef charging $10 a month to share weekly recipes and cooking classes. A fitness junkie running a $15 a month workout accountability group. A gamer charging $5 a month for exclusive gaming tips. Even with just 200 paying members, that's $2,000 a month in recurring income. This is the small audience, big impact model, and it's exploding right now. Now, here's the one I mentioned earlier, the hustle that can pay you while you sleep. Renting out virtual land and assets. Yep, digital real estate isn't just hype anymore. In 2025, people are creating virtual shops, meeting spaces, and ad spots inside metaverse platforms. And the wild part? They're renting them out just like Airbnb. Someone owns a cool virtual art gallery. They can rent it to an artist for a week-long exhibition. Others are renting out digital billboards inside virtual cities. And get this, some are earning $500 to $5,000 a month purely passive, because once it's set up, it just keeps generating rent. And finally, hustle number 7, AI-powered print on demand. This one's a game changer. Instead of spending hours designing t-shirts, mugs, or wall art, people are using AI to generate dozens of unique designs in minutes. They upload them to print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Etsy, or Amazon Merch, and boom, passive income every time something sells. The top sellers? They're earning thousands a month with minimal effort. It's creativity on autopilot. Now, here's the golden nugget most people miss. In 2025, the real money isn't just in working harder. It's in learning how to work smarter, especially with AI. Every single hustle I mentioned either leverages AI, digital assets, or community power. The people making serious side income this year are the ones who adapt fast and spot trends before the masses catch on. So, those are the 7 hottest side hustles Americans are using in 2025 to make extra income. Which one blew your mind the most? Was it the renting out of smart gadgets or the whole virtual land thing? Drop your favorite in the comments. I'll be replying to as many as I can. And hey, if you got value from this video, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, share this with a friend who's looking for new income streams, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss the next big money-making ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.